everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? Ali Pearl is here. They showed up to show out. What? Frontal? Bitch, what lace? Huh? But yeah, so I got 3 bundles of Brazilian deep wave and 1 lace frontal in the lengths of 224s, 122, and an 18-inch frontal. So came in the DHL bag or whatever. So I got the bundles. I started running my fingers through it. Mind you, this is the hair right here. Sorry, didn't tell you. This is the hair. I installed it onto a wig. So this is a wig, and I only used 2 of the bundles. I used 2 of the bundles in the frontal. Like, I don't like my hair to be super big. Like, it's still kind of big when it dries, but I don't want it to be super big. So this is the other bundle that I have that I didn't even open. Like, the bundles were mainly getting tangled like towards the ends, and I was like, okay, like maybe it's because it's curly hair. Curly hair tends to get tangled and shed a lot more. Maybe it's like the way that they put this on here, like it gets the hair cut or something. I don't know. For the frontal, when I first started running my fingers through the frontal, a lot of hair was coming out. I can't even lie to you, a lot of hair was coming out. Did the whole process, bleaching the knots on the frontal and everything, and then I created the wig, right? So the wig, I plucked some of the hairs. Like, the frontal came a little bit pre-plucked, just a little bit, but you still gotta pluck it to make it, you know, look a little bit more natural, you know, to serve looks, you know what I'm saying? Serve some looks. Well, it doesn't really, the product that it has in it is water mixed with the Can2 leave-in conditioner. I didn't wash all the bundles with shampoo and conditioner and all that stuff. I literally just wet this hair with water and water and conditioner, just to keep it from being super frizzy. If I brush it out right now, it would be like crazy, but it's super cute. Like, it's really soft. You can run your fingers through this hair like without a problem, and it's really easy to like work with. Like, the frontal, oh my god, so natural. Like, I had to pluck it a little bit more. I might have to still go in and pluck it a little bit more. I don't want to pluck too much because then it's gonna look, I don't want it to have like bald spots. The more you pluck, the less like it won't last that long. Your frontal won't last that long if you pluck too much of the hair out, because then it'll start getting bald spots once you continuously like doing your baby hairs, like laying it down to your face, like not all of that stuff like is gonna make the hair come out faster. So I don't want to pluck that much. That was my mistake on my first wig, and I don't want to make that mistake again. So yeah, this hair is really nice. Like, the ends are, there's no split ends. I don't see any split ends. It's still pretty full. It's not super long, but it's like, let me see, it's like right here. It's not long at all. I'm not wearing a bra, don't mind that. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all, give y'all my opinion on this hair. I just got it yesterday, made the unit last night, boom boom, put it on, let it stay on my forehead, like stick to my forehead, girl, because you got to make sure it's secure. You can't have nobody trying to come and pull off your wig, girl. You can't be having that. Woke up this morning, did like my baby hairs, and let me tell you something, do not use got to be glued to do your baby hairs, because it's gonna make it really crunchy, and it's gonna be easier for your baby hairs that you already created looking bomb. They're gonna come out because it got to be glued. Like this free spray, too strong. This too strong. The black one is too strong. So I would recommend using a mousse to do your baby hairs. You can use got to be glued to stick the lace down, but as far as doing your baby hairs, don't use it. So the mousse that I use is this olive oil wrapping styling mousse, whatever you want to call it. It works perfectly for my baby hairs, and they haven't, like, they move, but they're not like gonna fall apart, like, you know, they're not super stiff either. I'll leave the links to this hair, the exact link to the hair that I bought and everything, so you guys can, if you want to buy some too, you know, you can get them. I believe I paid like $218 for 3 bundles and a frontal, and I didn't even use the 3rd bundle. What? This hair is bomb. I like to kind of leave it natural, which is why I use water mixed with leave-in conditioner. I don't like to put a lot of products in my hair because it builds up and then it makes the hair stiff, and I don't need no stiff bundles, baby. I don't need no stiff bundles. Yeah, Ali Pearl hair, I'll give y'all a 9 out of 10, simply because the frontal was shedding, not shedding, but like hair was coming out of it as soon as I got it. Like, I'm really proud of myself. Like, I did that. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Saying fuck your life. Okay, now we out of here.